5 pieces of mother-in-law stump for my garden. I'm going to cut the bottom flat like this so that I will be able to put it into the vase and they will be able to stay standing. Here, this is how I place them in. Let them lean to the side of the vase. The idea is to have them cover the entire vase so that I will be able to create a leaf wall around it. Now I'm going to have all these yin yang white chrysanthemum flowers, have them ready for the display. The height that I'm going to go for the flower is 1.5 of the vase. Now this is a very critical process. We need to remove the extra leaves at the bottom of the stem so that they will stay clean from the water. Pluck out some leaves between the flowers to create space so that your arrangement will not look too crowded. I really enjoy the crispy plucking sound from the leaves and the aroma of the flowers and leaves that fills the room as you're plucking it. Now this is the time to arrange the flowers to give it a good contour. I'll put the bunch with the same height together and gradually arrange them in a cascading manner. Once you're happy with it, you can put the whole bunch into the vase. Slot them in. And adjust it to the shape that you like. Since all the plant material sits at the bottom of the vase, just put in enough water to cover the lowest part of the plants. This should be enough to keep them hydrated for the next 7 days. I'm happy now.